there as fast as you possibly can.
And I got a nice ball.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you.
No.
What? What do you mean no?
Wait, how do I get over this?
You turn the ladder.
I go around. Low.
You say low.
Yeah, it's how I laugh now because I'm evil.
Alright, wait. I beat you.
No, 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 no.
I am now in the lead of the dark side. And okay, so you back up so we can talk.
I'm trying.
Alright, looks like we're in stage 15. Oh god. I think these get progressively more difficult. Oh gosh, be careful, zombies.
So you left us.
I'm head-to-head with Via right now, so... Hey, here's our side!
I know.
Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. I'll get you, Mia.
Oh gosh. Oh, this is weird. Better hurry, Nico.
I'm going through this thing as fast as I can. Ah, Mia!
This is hard.
We're head-to-head. How is it even possible?
Where do I go? Oh, wrong side.
Mia, what are you doing?
I'm ready.
Going into the back there.
I am.
You want me to help you open up blocks?
Really
Yeah.
gives the upper hand here.
Go.
I'm going to the middle.
I could cut the tape for you.
Hey, it's me, your skin. This acne has me craving a maximum strength cleanse, but will it cause more discomfort? New CeraVe Acne Cream Wash, developed with dermatologists, is powered with maximum strength 10% benzoyl
You
peroxide.
have got to be kidding me. Oh wait, what?
You want me to help you with that tape?
Yeah.